On December 7, 2025, the Japan Press Tour highlighted key projects supported by Japan across Palau. The tour began in Latbang State, where participants attended the handover of the new sanitary facility at Koksai Park. The project was funded by Japan to help improve public health and provide clean, accessible restrooms for the community. The group then visited the Palau International Airport to see the upgraded X-ray security systems. These systems were part of a major grant from Japan and were designed to strengthen border control and make airport screening safer and more efficient. The tour ended at the Embassy of Japan, where the International Organization for Migration presented Palau's new e-passport system. The presentation explained how the updated passport technology would improve security and modernize travel services for Palauan. Overall, the press tour emphasized the strong partnership between Japan and Palau and how these projects supported community health, national security, and improved public services.